The first step is to open Canva, and click Upload. Click Choose Files. This confirmation button will show your file, but it disappears quickly. Your better option is to click Projects. Click to open the PDF document you just downloaded. If you need to enlarge the image on your screen, drag the zoom handle, and drop it on an enlarged size. Now you can click on individual elements in your design. When you click on any element, each can be enhanced with things like animation, color, etc. You are able to transform your original design by moving, adding and deleting elements with the Canva tools just like you would any design. That's it, you're done.